Alam mo, ang tingin ko sa'yo, this is just a personal take, ano. Nag-mature ka over the years and hindi lang sa, hindi lang sa pagiging aktor, kundi the way you deal with people and the way you talk with people. And I'm sure your past relationships, malaking naitulong yan to be, to make you the better person that you are now.
Yeah, definitely.
Would you agree?
I agree 100%. Like I think it's just sad to think sometimes na I had to learn all those things in the expense of hurting another person. Na hindi ko rin naman maiwasan, and siya rin naman siguro sa akin dati. But in the end, meron pa rin wala.
Are we talking about a specific may pareho ba tayo ng iniisip dito?
Oh, wala naman ako ibang ex. Isa lang naman. Wala naman ang ibang naging seryosong relationship.
Papangalanan ko, okay lang?
Okay lang.
Okay. Of course, syempre alam ko naman na of course it was a serious relationship between you and
you were there too. Like you were there
I
too.
was there. Do sa mga iyakan blues na hindi na never made it to the news kasi mahal ko kayo pareho. But how are you and Thea now?
We talk pag nagkikita kami, pero hindi na kami nagkikita siguro.
Pero okay, like parang okay na. Like
okay na.
Both of you have moved on. Both of you have, acknowledged na of course nag-fail yung relationship natin, but doesn't necessarily mean na pati tayo magfa-fail as friends.
Yeah, well at first, yun naman talaga yung nangyari. Yun yung naman naging usapan. Basta meron din. Basta after ng breakup, may times na nag-uusap pa rin kami. And isa yun sa mga napag-uusapan namin before na parang, like, it was a good, yung huling breakup namin was really good na parang naging mutual na lang na feel namin sa isa't isa.
Ilang breakups ba kayo?
Siguro mga 3.
Mala Alden to, no? Yung movie ni Alden, 5 breakups.
5 breakups. Oo nga, no? Pero 3 lang naman yung sa amin, siguro. I think,
hindi pa umabot sa quota.
Hindi pa umabot sa pelikula. Hindi pa siya pwede gawing kwento sa pelikula. 3 pa lang siya. Pero I think the last 3 or 4, I'm not sure. Basta yung the last one was a good one na parang okay na. Like,
nag-mature na kasi.
Okay na, hanggang dito na lang tayo talaga eh. And if you want to be better, and we want that for the both of us, like hindi lang sa selves namin, like gusto ko rin sa kanya yun, gusto niya sa akin, in order to do that, we had to not be together. Parang may mga ganung bagay.
You see, that's a perfect example eh. Parati ko sinasabi yan eh. Like, sa isang breakup, wala naman talagang masama minsan. I mean, kadalasan, walang masama eh. Like parang, both of you are good people. You and Thea, both of you are really good people. I know you personally. Pareho kayong dalawa. Pareho kayong mabait. Pareho kayong loving na tao.
It's just, because we did try. Like, ang tagal namin sinubukan. Pero, with how
naka 4 breakups ba naman kayo?
Like 7 years. 7 years. Naka 7 years din kami. So, parang, it just boiled down to, okay, so, yan ka talaga, we tried, and we can only do so much. Sa akin din, we tried, and I can only do so much with me. Baka mas malaya tayong magagawa natin yung mga bagay na to kung hindi na lang tayo nasa picture ng isa't isa. Para wala nang iniisip na baka hindi okay sa kanya to, baka masaktan lang kita, na yung gano'n, na parang it was from the get-go naman, kasi we knew that we were in a relationship on an early stage in our lives.
I think nasabi ko rin yan at some point na parang kung yung relationship nyo happened ngayon, it would have lasted or it would have worked. Kasi iba yung dinaanan nyo eh. Iba yung bata pa talaga kayo nun eh. Hindi nyo talaga, kumbaga in the relationship, hindi na kayo nag-grow eh. Parang pareho kayong bata. Ang feeling ko nga sa inyo parang naglalaro lang.
Parang na tinatry maging seryoso, no?
Na maging seryoso. Totoo.
Totoo. May ganun siyang factor, may ganun siyang feels. Pero andun rin kasi yung, especially at that time, ang maganda doon was we were aware parehas naman na okay, masyado pa maaga para i-prioritize tong relationship na to. Like, career first more than anything. And self first more than anything. Like, kung meron kang kailangan gawin sa work or sa career na feeling mo masasaktan ako, gawin mo pa rin. Kasi, like, paano kita suportahan or paano mo susuportahan, di ba? Like, ang aga pa para magdikta tayo kung anong mga gusto natin. We were still figuring out things. Kung anong gusto namin sa career namin, anong gusto naming path, anong gusto naming work, anong klaseng projects gusto namin. Dinaramdam pa lang namin lahat yan. So, we didn't want the relationship to get in the way. So, number one talaga sa amin, ever since, from the simula nung nag-start kami hanggang matapos, is yung we knew if we were made to do or if we had to do like greater things than our relationship, we should do it. So, umabot sa ganun na parehas kaming na-feel namin na I think this is the last great thing we can do for each other. To just prioritize fully what we want for ourselves.
Do you see yourself working with Thea?
Yeah, why not? Naka-work ko siya sa Lolong nung lock-in for a time. Nag-guest siya sa amin. Yeah, why
Was
not?
it comfortable nung nagkasama kayo sa set ulit?
At first, it wasn't because parang nakakapanibago na ngayon ko pa lang siya makikita in the flesh. Like, after, what, months? A year? I wasn't sure. But, halos buong pandemic eh. Tapos bigla nagkalolong, doon ko siya unang makikita. It was kind of uncomfortable dahil inaasar-asar din kami. Tapos parang umabot na sa point na kami ni Thea na parang, hindi na ba maubos yung jokes nyo sa aming dalawa? Lahat lagi nyo na lang inaasar. Tapos parang minsan may mga hirit na, ikaw kasi, Miko, sinaktan mo eh. Parang talaga, bago nyo ba malaman yung totoong nangyari? Kung ikwento ko kaya lahat dito.
Hindi, yun na nga masama. Pag nagbitaw ka ng salita na gano'n, na parang gusto nyo bang malaman yung totoong nangyari, parang ang feeling ng ibang tao, si Thea yung masama.
Yun nga
diba?
Pero
parang gano'n eh.
Basta sa amin na lang yun. I think hindi naman na kailangan hindi naman na kailangan i-explain yun. Tapos na yun eh.
You don't owe anyone kung ano yung rason talaga.
Exactly.
Sa inyo yan eh.